The bustling city of Multan, Pakistan, is buzzing with anticipation. Word on the street is that Wizz Air, the renowned European low-cost carrier, is eyeing Multan International Airport as a potential destination. This exciting development holds the promise of revolutionizing air travel between the United Arab Emirates and Pakistan. For years, travelers have sought more affordable and convenient options for flying between the UAE and Pakistan. With a large Pakistani expat community residing in the UAE, the demand for efficient and cost-effective travel solutions is higher than ever. The potential arrival of Wizz Air in Multan signals a new era of connectivity, potentially opening doors to a world of travel opportunities. The expansion of air travel routes is not merely about connecting cities, it's about connecting people, cultures, and economies. Wizz Air's potential foray into Multan is poised to do just that, fostering stronger ties between the UAE and Pakistan. Wizz Air, a Hungarian ultra-low-cost carrier, has rapidly ascended the ranks of the aviation industry. With its headquarters in St. Helier, Jersey, Wizz Air boasts an extensive network across Europe, North Africa, the Middle East, and South Central Asia. Its commitment to providing passengers with affordable travel options has propelled its growth. One of Wizz Air's key subsidiaries, Wizz Air Abu Dhabi, plays a pivotal role in the airline's expansion into the Middle Eastern market. The airline's fleet consists of modern Airbus A321neo aircraft, known for their fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Wizz Air's operational model is centered around providing a no-frills flying experience, allowing passengers to choose from a range of optional extras to customize their journey. Recent agreements between the UAE and Pakistan have paved the way for increased flight operations. Wizz Air, with its strategic presence in Abu Dhabi, is well positioned to capitalize on these developments. While the exact details of Wizz Air's planned routes to Pakistan are yet to be officially confirmed, sources suggest that Multan is among the cities under consideration. This strategic move would connect Multan directly to Abu Dhabi, a major international hub. In addition to Multan, other Pakistani cities rumored to be on Wizz Air's radar include Faisalabad, Quetta, and Peshawar. These cities represent significant markets with a considerable demand for international travel. The potential addition of these routes would not only enhance connectivity but also foster greater economic and cultural exchange between the two nations. The UAE serves as a major transit point for travelers from Pakistan heading to other parts of the world, and Wizz Air's presence in Abu Dhabi provides a convenient and cost-effective option for these passengers. The potential arrival of Wizz Air in Multan is not merely an aviation story, it's a story of opportunity. For the nearly 2 million Pakistanis residing in the UAE, this development is particularly significant. It promises more affordable and convenient travel options to visit family and friends back home. Beyond personal travel, Wizz Air's expansion is poised to have a ripple effect on the economies of both nations. The increased connectivity will facilitate business travel, opening up new opportunities for trade, investment, and collaboration. For Pakistan, this translates into potential growth in tourism, as more people gain access to affordable travel options. The influx of visitors can create jobs, boost local businesses, and contribute to the overall economic development of the region. Moreover, Wizz Air's entry into the market will likely intensify competition among airlines operating between the UAE and Pakistan. The potential arrival of Wizz Air in Multan marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of air travel between the UAE and Pakistan. It signifies a shift towards greater connectivity, affordability, and choice for travelers. As Wizz Air joins the ranks of airlines already operating on this route, including Emirates, FlyDubai, Air Arabia, and Etihad, the landscape of air travel is set to become even more dynamic and competitive. While the exact details of Wizz Air's planned operations are still under wraps, the anticipation is palpable. Travelers are eagerly awaiting announcements regarding flight schedules, ticket prices, and official launch dates. One thing is certain, the future of air travel between the UAE and Pakistan is bright. With increased competition, innovative services, and a focus on affordability, travelers can look forward to a new